Welcome to Pigeon River Farm, efficient and effective drones on the farm video series. In this segment, we will demonstrate the efficient and effective use of a drone for pasture inspection. Healthy pasture conditions are paramount to healthy livestock and poultry at Pigeon River Farm, and daily pasture inspections are an important part of our ongoing farm maintenance program. Drones allow us to perform routine pasture inspections regardless of adverse or dangerous field conditions such as deep mud, snow, or extreme temperatures. The efficient use of a drone also enhances the inspection process, and it takes only a fraction of the time and energy once required for daily in-person inspections. Careful planning and consistency will produce the most efficient and effective farm inspections. Remember safety first. When piloting a drone, always follow the manufacturer's safe operating instructions, and always comply with applicable federal, state and local licenses and flight regulations. We begin our scheduled drone pasture inspection with a rapid overhead flyby at approximately 90 feet and 5 miles per hour. This bird's eye view allows us to quickly compare our pasture paddocks. This perspective also allows us to quickly assess patterns of livestock concentrations and forage consumption not always easily seen from the ground. Next, we circle back and take a close-up look at pasture forage conditions before, during, and after grazing. Flying low to the ground, the downrush of air from the drone's turbines provides us with a unique perspective that allows us to determine the approximate height and thickness of the forage. Of course, close-up flights will also require additional caution due to the increased potential for contact with tall plants that may become tangled in the drone's rotors. From this close-up perspective, we can also observe livestock to see what specific types of forage they are consuming or avoiding. Depending on the type of livestock, we can also examine manure patties for beneficial dung beetle activity and potentially undesirable fly concentrations. At Pigeon River Farm, we maintain a database of our pasture inspection drone flights by date and time. This provides us with a unique perspective that allows us to identify recurring patterns over time. This database has also been very helpful information for our agronomist, and it has allowed us to proactively improve and maintain optimal pasture conditions. We have also learned to always remain aware of our surroundings when flying close to the ground. Such things as curious livestock, fences, and overhanging trees are all potential hazards for your drone that you don't normally encounter at higher altitudes. With daily flights, you will improve your piloting skills and develop confidence in your ability to fly your drone with greater confidence and accuracy. In the process, you will also continue to learn more about your drone's limitations and capabilities. Remember safety first. Drone technology has proven to be a cost-effective and efficient tool for pasture inspection at Pigeon River Farm. Above all else, time is a farmer's most precious and perishable resource. Thank you for joining us today.